In this video, we're going to talk about Email Marketing 360, why you need it, and how it works. So what is Email Marketing 360 and why do you need it? Well, Email Marketing 360 is our email marketing software. So you can send email blasts or even build automated journeys to trigger a series of emails all at one time in an automated way. And so to better understand it, let's talk about 5 reasons of how email marketing can be used to grow your business. So one way would be to build automated journeys for your sales process. Really emails that are triggered if you're using the CRM as different stages are reached within your sales process. This is going to bring consistency to your sales process and increase the number of sales that you get by automated email marketing and leveraging that to enhance your sales process. Second way you can use email to grow your business is to send emails out asking for reviews. By capturing more reviews in an automated way, you're going to build your online reputation, which is going to help grow your business. Third way you can use email to grow your business is to email out promotions and deals as you have them. You can even use automation to take advantage of this, such as building an automated campaign for the entire year that sends out deals and promotions on the holidays. Fourth way you can use email to grow your business would be to send monthly newsletters. You could send educational drip campaigns out to your contact base. All kinds of educational opportunities can be used with email to keep your contact base engaged, top of mind, so that they think of you first and do business with you. And the fifth way email can help grow your business is just by increasing the lifetime value of your customer base. If you're using email marketing properly, you'll typically get additional sales from your contacts that you would not have otherwise received. And if you could just get one more sale from your customers per year, think about what that would do to your revenue. In some cases, it would double it. So using email can be a great way to increase the lifetime value of your customers. So now that you have some ideas on how you can use email marketing to grow your business, let's talk about 4 steps and how it works. Step 1 is you have a kickoff call with your marketing executive and/or one of our email marketing specialists to walk through Email Marketing 360 and help understand how you can use the tool to grow your business. We'll be able to provide ideas to you to help you to reach your goals using email marketing and leveraging the tool to grow your business. Step 2 is we'll provide unlimited and free support and training. So as you need training and support along the way, or anybody on your team on how to use email marketing, how to do different things within it, we'll provide that to you for free. There's no limit to it. You can even talk to a dedicated person so that they know your story and understand what you're trying to do on a consistent monthly basis. Step 3, if you need our help, we'll do it for you. We'll write the content, we'll design the emails, we'll send the emails on your behalf so that you don't have to spend any time doing these things. For that, you just need to use your creative time that you have and use it on demand. And remember, you get an hour a month with Marketing 360, so you can use that hour a month to design and build and send an email if you'd like. If you need additional time to take care of things for you on demand, that's fine too. Step number 4 is we'll help you track the results, look at the data, and make sure that you're executing on your campaigns to achieve your goals. We'll look at things like what the best subject line is, what the best day and time to send emails is, what your open rates are, and everything else so that you're getting the best results possible from your email campaigns. Bonus tip here is there's a lot of email marketing tools out there you can look at, third-party applications and all different kinds of things, but you'll be hard-pressed to find one as easy to use and as affordable and as supported as Email Marketing 360. And really the power of the tool is it's built right within Marketing 360 to integrate with your marketing campaigns and the CRM if you're using it to really take advantage of automated emails to grow your business. So in conclusion, hopefully this video helps you better understand Email Marketing 360 and how you can use it to grow your business. If you have any questions, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business, so please talk to one of our marketing consultants. They'd be happy to help, and happy marketing.